Sorry.
Chema baba ndikunyebera.
Nguva dzangu dzekuvata dzakuda kukwana. Ndoda kuimba hangu zvokunakirwa ndikuende.
Before you leave, ndingafaya.
Asi handizive manje kuti handina beat ko ndingori mujira.
Aiwa, iwe chingotimbira chete. Kwandi panondipatse kuva.
Beat ndori wanepi mujira. Mira mondiudza kana sound ndiri kubuda bo. Iri kubuda zvakanaka here?
Sound iri kubuda zvakanaka. Ladies and gentlemen, ngatimbonzwai from Mbuya vaPiyasoni. Let's go Pipiro. Redemption song. Lega.
Old pirates, yes, they robbed by, sold out to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took a from the
bottom left. One more time. One more time, please.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, Pipiro Mbuya vaPiyasoni in the house on the gym.
Old pirates, yes, they robbed by, sold out to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help me sing the songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but our souls can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help me sing the songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Ooh.
Ndoga ndichitaura dai ndaiva nemari inokwana uyu ndaimusisa maskidzo uyu ndiye wandaenda kunopinda manje ndoti mari yacho yauri kusevenzera ndokupa ita zvemumhanzi chochuna kani. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mbuya vaPiyasoni. Ndafara pipi hausuza ndafara sei ndakapedzera kurekodha zvinhu zvepatiktok izvi kudhara, but I think I'm going to post this mangwana kufacebook.
Yes.
I'm so
voice racho nderehope rari pama1 but ndati
ndotozviziva kuti unopfuura papa. Hey, thank you so much Mbuya Pearson. Chrysolite Foundation kana makuzotsvaga mabrand ambassador vane image.
Yeah, when the image is clean, you have to just call Mbuya vaPiyasoni right away. She's so clean, man.